Hello guys, you're watching German Gyan. My name is Nidhi Jain and guys, today we are up with a new video in which it's gonna help you so very much. Because most of the students comes to me that we are having anxiety, we are not able to learn German, we are not able to touch the level which we actually want to touch the level. So how you can actually overcome your language learning, how you can win your anxiety for learning German language, the whole video is all about this. It's gonna be super duper interesting and a very helpful video, especially for the students who are actually facing this problem. So yeah, before starting, let me just tell you, my name is Nidhi Jain. I'm a CEO and the founder of German Gyan. German Gyan provides you online offline classes. We provide teacher training, program, exam preparation, brush up classes and whatnot. What are you waiting without wasting time? Let's get into the video. Let's go.
How to overcome language learning anxiety in German. Learning a new language can be an exciting journey, but it can also bring a wave of anxiety, especially when you are faced with the complex grammar and tongue-twisting compound words of German. And language learning anxiety is incredibly common and it can hold you back from making real progress, even if you are motivated and eager to learn. The good news is that it's absolutely possible to overcome these fears with the right strategies and mindset. Why does language learning anxiety happen? So, before we get into solutions, it helps to understand the root cause. So, for the first reason is fear of making mistakes. German grammar is known for being precise, which makes some learner extra self-conscious. Second is pronunciation stress. So, sounds like CH or R can feel hard or unnatural at first. Third is performance pressure, worrying about being judged, especially by native speakers. Fourth is perfectionism, wanting to say everything correctly before speaking at all. And last is past experience. Embarrassment in a previous class or conversation can create fear. The first thing what you can do to overcome the anxiety is give yourself time. Some people feel motivated when they are under stress. Others clam up, get nervous and panic. If the second situation sounds like you and speaking in a foreign language significantly raises your stress level, then don't feel pressed to speak right away. Practice listening, reading and writing instead. Because many foreign languages learners are pushed to their limits and expected to start speaking immediately. Don't allow others to decide when you should start communicating in a foreign language. The decision has to come from you. So, only start speaking when you feel confident and ready to do so. Also, avoid comparing yourself to others. Just because your friends started talking with native speakers after a few weeks of learning doesn't mean you should too. So, just keep in mind, don't hurry. Give yourself enough time to practice the language and build your speaking confidence slowly. Second, use affirmations and mindfulness. Learning German can feel overwhelming, especially when fear of mistakes or self-doubt takes over. That's where affirmations and mindfulness comes in. They help calm your nerves, shift your mindset and build lasting confidence. Affirmations. Train your mind to support you. Affirmations are short, positive statements you repeat to replace negative self-talk. So you can use these affirmations. For example, I don't need to be perfect, I just need to try. Second, mistakes help me grow. Third, every word I learn brings me closer to fluency. Say them before speaking practice or write them in a journal to build confidence. Mindfulness means stay calm and focused. Mindfulness is about being present without judgment. It helps you manage anxiety during learning. So you can do mindful listening. When listening to a German speaker or audio, focus fully on their tone, rhythm and pacing. Second, don't stress about catching every word. Let your mind absorb instead of decode. This improves comprehension naturally and reduces performance pressure. Then pause and reflect. After a practice session, ask yourself, what did I do well? What would I like to improve next time? Then write down the answers to shift your focus to growth, not just gaps. Now, take a moment to relax your body. A relaxed body is equals to a more relaxed mind. Now, combine both. Before speaking or studying, take a deep breath and say, Ich bin ruhig, ich lerne, ich schaffe das. Means, I'm calm, I'm learning, I have got this. Now, the most important thing which you should always do to overcome your anxiety is accept that it's okay to make mistakes. So, one of the biggest roadblocks in learning German or any language is the fear of making mistakes. But here's the truth, mistakes are not failures, they are essential steps toward fluency. Every time you use a wrong word, mix up grammar, or mispronounce something, you are learning what not to do, and your brain remembers it better next time. Now, why it matters? So, some native speakers make mistakes too, even in their own languages, and most Germans appreciate your efforts more than your accuracy, and correcting mistakes deepens your understanding more than perfect answer ever could. Now, try this mindset. Instead of thinking, what if I get it wrong? Tell yourself, if I don't try, I can't improve. Laugh off small slip ups, learn from them, and most importantly, keep going. Because mistakes mean you are using the language, not just studying it, and that's clear learning. Change your learning method. Sometimes anxiety isn't just emotional, it's a sign that your current learning method isn't working for you. If you constantly feel stuck, bored, or overwhelmed, it might be time to switch things up. Now, why changes helps? So, everyone has a different learning style. What works for one person may not work for you. A new method can refresh your motivation and reduce frustration, and variety makes learning feel more natural and enjoyable. So, you can try these alternatives. For example, shift from textbook to listening. So, you can use podcasts to build comfort with native speed and pronunciations. And speak early, speak often. Third, learn through entertainment. And fourth, use visuals. Take small steps. When learning German feels overwhelming, the best remedy is to start small and stay consistent. You don't have to master German grammar or speak fluently right away. Progress comes in tiny, manageable steps. Now, why it works? So, small wins build confidence and reduce fear. Short, simple tasks feel achievable and keep you motivated, and you avoid burnout and anxiety from trying to do it all. Some of the easy ways to take small steps are learn 3 to 5 new words a day and use them in a sentence. Then listen to 5 minutes of German audio each morning. Then read one short paragraph from a children's book or article. And write one line in German in your journal daily and speak one sentence aloud, even to yourself. Next, make it fun and cultural. Language learning doesn't have to do all grammar drills and textbook exercise. In fact, the more you connect with the culture, the more enjoyable and less stressful learning German becomes. By making German part of your hobbies and everyday life, you will learn faster and more natural, often without even realizing it. So, how to make it fun? First thing which you can do is watch German shows and movies. So, start with subtitles, then switch to German audio or subtitles as you improve. Second, listen to German music. You can explore pop, rap, or folk music according to your interest. Third, cook German recipes. Now, for this, follow YouTube videos or written recipes in German, and then that's how you can learn vocabulary while enjoying. And change text settings to German. Means set your phone, apps, or Netflix language to German. It's a small change that helps you absorb vocabulary daily. And last thing, play language games. So apps like Duolingo, Wordbit, or Memrise turn learning into fun, goal-based challenges. And for connecting with the culture, follow German influencers, YouTubers, or travel vloggers, and explore German traditions like Oktoberfest or Christmas market online. Now again, one of the most important thing, don't compare yourself to others. One of the quickest way to lose confidence in language learning is by comparing your progress to someone else's. Whether it's a classmate who speaks fluently or someone online sharing perfect sentences, remember their journey is not your journey. Now, why comparison hurts? Because it creates unnecessary pressure and anxiety. Second, it shifts focus away from your progress. And third, everyone has different background, study time, and learning style. So, what to focus on instead? So, you can do is track your own growth, then celebrate your efforts, not just results, and set personal goals. And do not forget to remind yourself that I am not in a race, I am on my path and I am making progress every day. Progress over perfection. Learning German is a journey, sometimes exciting, sometimes frustrating, but always meaningful. If you have struggled with anxiety, self doubt, or fear of making mistakes, know this: you are not alone and you are not failing, you are learning. By changing your mindset, trying new methods, and taking small, consistent steps, you can transform anxiety into confidence, hesitation into courage, and fear into fluency. And always remember, it's okay to make mistakes, it's okay to go at your own pace, and it's more than okay to enjoy the process. Du schaffst das. You have got this.
So I think now you are overcome to the anxiety of learning German language. We'll catch you in the next one. Till then, keep learning German with German Gyan. Take care. Cheers.